Alright guys, so today we have a dryer vent cleaning we're about to do. The dryer is not working properly, so we're going to go ahead and clean this thing out. We're going to start from the outside and then work our way in to the flex hose, which needs to be cleaned out too. So I have the dryer on right now. There's a little bit of airflow going through here, but there's about a half an inch layer thick of dryer vent just right here at the starting point. So we'll go ahead and get this started. All right.